This is why you need to update your wardrobe for summer 2024. This season it's all about bold statements and bright colors. Picture sunshine yellow, electric blue and fiery orange lighting up your wardrobe. These vibrant hues are making their way onto everything. Dresses, tops, bags and shoes. Say goodbye to boring and hello to playful and energetic. But it's not just about the colors, it's about making eco-conscious choices too. Designers are embracing sustainability with open arms. Upcycled clothing, vintage finds and pieces made from organic cotton or recycled materials are all the rage. So, whether you're hitting the beach or strutting the city streets, make sure you blend bold styles with eco-friendly choices. Stand out, make a statement, and most importantly, have fun with your fashion. Don't miss out on these exciting trends. Stay stylish and sustainable this summer. Catch you in the next fashion update.